Hello, gorgeous souls. Today, here at Alchemystco, I want to teach you how to use the abundance oil right here. It's a magic bioenergized activator designed to help you attract abundance in all areas of your life. I'm going to teach you a simple tool, a simple trick to use to carry with you all the time. We all talk about manifestation techniques and strategies, and many people talk about blowing cinnamon out of your window or your doorway, or to use a bay leaf and write the amount of money you want or what you're desiring to come in for you from an abundant position. However, those things only operate from an intention of lack and limitation, and let me explain why. Because you're putting a constraint on what it is that you're trying to manifest into your life. And blowing cinnamon out of the doorway actually blows abundance away from you. So if you struggled with that practice and you haven't seen new abundance come into you as a result of that, this may actually assist you. Now, a lot of people also say, make sure you do this on a new moon or this or that. Astrological significance with regards to abundance rituals actually has more to do with your personal natal chart and how it reflects on your day chart than it has to do with anything else. It doesn't matter where the moon is. Now a lot of people are going to argue with me about this, but actually, if you look at your natal chart and you look at where the moon resides in that chart in terms of where the houses are, you're going to have more strategy. And what you want to do is implement this ritual on a day where that moon falls into a similar house for you, for that abundance to manifest in that area. Now, you can also do the opposing house as well on that same day if you need to draw in a magnetic format more abundance into that house as well. So a lot of people go off on new moon, full moon manifestation rituals and practices and things. But the reality is your natal chart, your birth chart, your astrological significances, as well as your 3 key signs, is going to have more impact on the abundance ritual that you practice. So today I'm going to teach you something simple. You can do this anytime, day or night. What you want to be in is in a total resonance of complete acceptance of receiving rather than rejecting or resisting. So I ask people when they're practicing the abundance ritual, and I give you a little note card on exactly what that looks like, and you can see that my information is down here. You can use this because it's a proprietary blend of rare sacred oils, resins, and absolutes. I have charged this oil with 4 different resonance signatures, very much gifted on the basis of abundant love, abundant wealth, abundant health, and abundant energy. So those are the 4 key energetic frequencies that are imprinted into this oil. So when you place in a charging container, we place this in a charging container for 40 days and nights, that it's filled with over 300 crystals. So it's my quartz crystal bowl that I have filled up with over 300 crystal energetics. And this enhances its power. So it sits there for 40 days and 40 nights, embodying all of that crystal energy. And then I imbue that energetic resonance of those 4 things. You can apply this to dollar bills, your checkbook, your credit cards, computer, your phone, your invoices, even your vehicle, and any contracts that you are about to sign. You can also anoint your pillow, or you can apply it as a body oil or in your bath. When we're applying this, I recommend using this, shaking it, and while you shake it, give yourself about 3 minutes of breathing deep and in. You might not even need that, but breathe in abundance, breathe out lack. Breathe in abundance, breathe out lack. Breathe in abundance, breathe out lack. And then where you want to apply this is where you feel most blocked. For some people, it's video recording and communicating online. So I recommend applying it just a little bit on your fingertip. You can smell it, take a deep breath in, and then apply it to your throat chakra very gently. You don't even need a lot. You just need a little bit. Okay, a little goes a long way with this oil. You can also apply it to your crown chakra to allow intuitive inspiration and creative expression come in. You can also apply it to your solar plexus if you're feeling stressed, or your sacral chakra if you're feeling unsafe energetically, especially when you're talking about abundance. So this magical activator has a sigil, and the sigil is designed to imprint into anything that you write, anything that you carry with you, the power of unlimited abundance. You are source itself. You are attached to the unlimited abundance of the universe. So here's how we do this. I'm going to take, you can take whatever bill. You can take a dollar bill, you can take a $50 bill, whatever. And the first thing I'm going to do to arrest abundance into me and to bring it is I'm going to roll it 3 times on each corner of the dollar bill. Okay? Whatever dollar bill you have is fine. I'm happening to use this $50 bill. Whatever comes in will come in 10,000 fold. Then I write abundance is me, and I am all abundance. No lack or limitation. Abundance in all areas of life is mine. I open the gates so all can flow 10,000 fold effortlessly. Now you can sign it however you want. I sign, so mote it be. With all my love. And then I sign my name. Okay? And then what I do is I place a selenite crystal across it for a minute. And then I place the amount of money, 10,000 fold that I want to manifest. And I apply it there. And I just sit with it for a second. Just sit with it for a second. Then, clockwise on all 4 corners, because you're calling in all 4 divine energies. And then finally in the center, that's your 5th energy, that's spirit. So we have air, fire, water, earth, spirit, all connected, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to roll this to you. 1, 2, and as you can see, 3 times. And I'll do one more towards me to seal it. Now you can apply a wax seal, like whatever you have on hand. I have an A from my Alchemystco. You can apply that. You can wrap it with a ribbon, that's fine too. Or you can just seal it with a piece of tape, whatever you have on hand. Across the top, you want to say, abundance is mine. I am. Thank you. Always with gratitude. Attitude of gratitude. Abundance is mine. I am. Thank you. Put this in your wallet. Carry it with you for 28 to 40 days. I recommend 40 days. Just keep it in your wallet. And anytime you start to feel a little scared, unsure, ungrounded, pull it back out and reapply. And where I reapply is right here. And I just do all 4 corners and then the center. And as I do that, I just sit here and hold it. Abundance is mine. I am. Thank you. And that is your abundance ritual.